Hello, good people. This is Sherry, and I am back with another video. These are bracelets that were created by Carol Spencer. Her business is Her Rose Jewelry. And I saw these bracelets. I said, oh, these are so cute. I said I could make something similar to this using my hand-painted acrylic. So that's what I'm going to do. I was in Istanbul, Turkey recently, and I bought these beads. And I said, wow, I'm going to put these beads with the hand-painted acrylic that I have. I'm going to make some charms and make some of these beaded bracelets, kind of like the ones that Carol made. I'm going to put Carol's contact information in the description if you want to go check out her shop. And this is a piece of the acrylic that I painted, and I'm going to cut some pieces out. I have created this way of creating a channel in the bead so that I could slide some cording through it. I go to my Glowforge and I cut 2 pieces for each bead. I cut the top piece that's decorated, and then the bottom piece I cut from clear acrylic, but I applied 3M double-sided tape on it so I won't have to use any glue. And the bottom piece is where I engrave my channel so that I can slide my cording through. Here I'm removing the 3M tape to expose my sticky part. So I take my bottom and I center my top on it and press it together. I'm using a rubber cord, and it is 0.5 millimeter, so it's pretty small. When I get ready to tie my cord, in this case it's the stretch cord, I like to use a bigger a bead with a bigger hole in it so that I can hide my knots inside that bead. So I have chosen a green bead to be the last bead that I put on. And I'm going to tie as many knots as I think I can get through the hole in that bead to make me feel secure. Now I'm going to make my earrings. I already have my hole, so I'm going to use my favorite, which are pendant clasped ear hooks. They have a little hook here, and they're so easy. I just put it in the front hole, squeeze the back, and then use my pliers to squeeze it a little more, and I'm done. That is so quick. That's why I just love these, and I don't have to deal with jump rings. I can just use these pendant clasp ear hooks and be done. Well, here are my laser cut bracelet charms that were inspired by bracelets by Carol Spencer of Her Rose Jewelry. I really, really love these. And this is how we can inspire each other. We don't have to copy. We can be inspired and do our own thing. So this is an example of that. How I saw her bracelets and I said, aha, that gave me an idea. And here they are. I'm really happy with them. I really like the way that these beads worked with them too. All right, good people, if you like this video, subscribe if you haven't. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.